what are the concept of encryptions over there. So O, which is the intruder, which is like a do hajum, you call hajum in Arabic, or hajam, intruder. Okay, so it's a O is intruder, make try to access the message in the following ways. So when the message is encrypted into a in encoded form, so he tries in the 4 different ways to get the message over there. Okay, the first thing it does it through block it. So they block it. How they block it? By preventing its reaching R. So sometimes they block the message so that it could not reach the receiver R. Okay, so they block it. This is the first way they do it, thereby affecting the availability of the message. See, so availability, CIA. So confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So it affects the third part, availability. So now the second thing is the intercept. It could not block it. Let's suppose if he is not able to block it, so he intercepted. Intercepted means like he captured the data over there, the encrypted message over there, by reading it or listening to the message, thereby affecting the confidentiality of the message. So the second is CIA, right? First, he could not read it, but he make it unavailable in the first one. But here, the second, the confidentiality, you call it sirri. So it does not become sirri. When he hears your message or you read your message, so this thing is compromised. Before, availability was compromised. Now the integrity, the confidentiality is compromised over there. And then we will go for the integrity part. Modify. What he does, by seizing the message, he stop the message, change on the way, and affecting the message integrity. So what he does, he stop the message, he change it, and then let it go, right? So by this way, the message is, there is no integrity, for I is interrupted over there. So integrity is not there. Why? The information is not correct. He changed the message. So when he changed the message, so integrity has been lost over there. So in blocking, availability is not there. In intercepting, confidentiality is lost. In modifying, integrity is lost over there, right? And this is the third one, fabricate. It also help in the integrity of the message, mean it is also relevant to the integrity. So authentic looking message, in that case, in fabricate, in modify, you guess that it has been modified by the person. But in fabricate, you cannot guess. You have to, there need an expert to see that the message has been fabricated or not fabricated. You might not know the language is same like you receive from your friend or your boss or anyone. Okay, so authentic looking message, arranging for it to be delivered as if it is came from the original sender over there, and thereby also affecting the integrity of the messages there. A message vulnerability reflects the 4 possible security failures we identified earlier over there. So these are the 4 important failures, which is called block, intercept, modify, and fabricate over there. So these 3 are important factors in encryption over there.